Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm gonna tell you how to fix the battery drain on your NUBIA Air. So actually this phone is very thin, that's why you may have the battery drain, so it's kind of normal, but we can fix that actually in a couple of easy ways. And first, go here to the settings. Now here scroll down to the battery. Here in the battery, as you can see, we do have remaining battery 44 hours, but it's not true actually. We have to scroll down till we see wait a moment, here these applications, but overall not only here this time. Let's see the whole day. As you can see here, they have only from 5 p.m. to 5:52 p.m. is because I did turn on my phone then, but that's not what we have to do. Here, as you can see, if you scroll a bit down, we do have the app. Here, if you do have some applications you don't recognize, or the applications such as TikTok, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, you can restrict them. But if you don't want to restrict your social media apps, don't do it. But of course, it's recommended, and I would recommend it to you. But if you don't want to do it, don't do it. As for the applications you don't recognize, tap on such application, and here, as you can see, high power consumption notification or force stop. Here, if you do have these applications you don't recognize, tap force stop over here, and then go back, apps, and search for such application in the all 49 applications here. As for the applications, if you do want to restrict the applications such as here, presented here over here, if you want to restrict them, as I said, it is Messenger, Facebook, or something like that, or just games that you don't want really to have notifications from, tap here apps, tap see all apps, and select the applications you want to limit. For example, let be Asphalt Nitro 2. Here, tap app battery usage, tap battery optimization, tap auto start, not allowed, secondary notch, not allowed, background running, not allowed. And do it for every single application you want to limit in your phone. This will help you limit some background processes and stop the battery drain. Now we can go back and go back. And now, as for the all cheaper phone, the most common thing is that we do have a lot of bloatware. Here in the NUBIA Air, we do have a lot of bloatware actually. For example, these two applications that are first in the all applications list are the bloatware that I didn't agree to install. Asphalt Nitro 2 is a bloatware application. This is the game that I don't really want to have on my phone because I've never played Asphalt Nitro 2. So if you don't really want to have such applications on your phone, like for example Asphalt Nitro 2, just uninstall this application. How to do that? At first, tap uninstall here and OK. Now tap on the second application which you don't recognize when it is on system. Uninstall. If you scroll further down, for example, DTS sound, as I can see, we don't have the button to uninstall it, so it's a system one. So let's scroll further. Here we have Facebook, Gemini, Gmail, etc. Modern Combat Rebuild Guns. Tap it, tap uninstall. OK. And we can search, as you can see, for a lot of applications. For example, Puzzle Pets or TikTok, even YouTube Music, WPS Office. Yeah. So now, as for the bloatware, that's it. What I do recommend doing right now is to go to the Play Store and sign in to Google. So let me just sign in to Google and I'll be right back. Now we are here in the Google Play itself. It took me some time, but we are here. And what I recommend doing now is tapping search at the bottom of your screen again, and now type AccuBattery. Search, and now as I can see here, we have this application from Digibytes. Tap install button, And now wait a moment till you have your application installed. Here tab open, scroll this, finish, X button, and now as you can see we are here. What I do recommend doing now is that keep your phone do some cycles, 1-2 cycles, do it so actually charge your phone and discharge your phone. Just use your phone normally actually, charge, discharge for a week, maybe maximum for a week. This is the maximum amount of time, and then go here and check if you do have some mistakes. For example, health, bad battery health over time. Tap here on discharging, check if you do have some bad things over here, for example overheating the battery or something like that. Same in the charging, check if you do have here some red data, especially red, and if you do have here some red things, go to the authorized service to have your battery or phone fixed. And actually this is a very nice application. You can diagnose all the battery issues in your phone. Just diagnose your battery instead of looking only at the battery health in your system. So I do recommend actually this application. Now we can move to the next step to fix your phone from the battery drain, and this is actually restarting your phone. Yes, I know that this may be stupid for you, but here, wait a moment. Here, if you hold the power and volume up and tap reset and restart, you can fix a lot of issues. For example, you can reset the battery, reset the power delivery in your phone, just reset everything. You will be just having brand new resetted sensors. Actually, I do recommend sometimes resetting your phone from time to time, of course, maybe for a week or for a monthly, something like that. It depends on you, but I do recommend doing this. And now you should have your phone completely normal without any battery drain. We have to test it, of course, after some amount of time, but these fixes that I showed you could help you. And apart from that, what I do recommend is to check every single application that you have on your phone. Open it, close it, open it, close it, and check if you do have any glitches in these applications. Every single one. For example, here, Contacts, Chrome, every single one that you have here in the app library, and check if, of course, apart from games, and check if here you do have some errors, mistakes, glitches, apps crashing or something like that. If you do, you have to uninstall this application, and this should fix your issue. And that's it for any software issues that you can do. As for the rest thing that you can do is, for example, going to the authorized company service, NUBIA, because as I said earlier during the AccuBattery things, you may have some overheating issues in your phone, you may have some bad things with the power delivery or something like that. Of course, this is only a tech, so everything may be just bugged or something like that. Or you may have something wrong in the software, in the software services, so I recommend to have it fixed in the authorized company service with proof of purchase. If you do have your phone on the warranty, during the process of the warranty, they can do it for you for free. Of course, if you don't have anything in your phone damaged, for example, back plastic or anything else, and they will do it for you free. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like under our video. It's important to us to have your feedback actually, so if you just want to share your opinion with us about this video, please leave this in the comment section down below. If it's a drawback or it's just opinion, we'll try to make the videos for you even better than they are now. So yeah, and actually, as I said, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and hope it helps you, and goodbye and have a nice day.